Alright, so I got some DIY detail quick beads in this bottle here, and it's their spray-on ceramic sealant, and I'm going to show you how it works. I really like this product and I highly recommend it. And this vehicle here, it has no ceramic coating at all. And I'm going to say you need to use 5 squirts per panel of this stuff, just so you get a good amount. You know, the company's probably going to say use 1 or 2, but I'm going to say 5. Really get it on there good. 3 to 5. 3 to 5. Beauty. Now once you got it on there, rinse bottom up. Alright, there we go. Quick spray on ceramic sealant. Works really good. I like it. Not bad. All right, 1, 2, 3, 5. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I use a fair bit. I believe in using a fair bit of this stuff. And wash from the bottom up. All right, see how it sheets off. Pretty good for a spray-on ceramic sealant. That's for sure, pretty good. Alright, no hydrophobics on here. Maybe a little bit because I had some cross contamination from the other side. Let's check it out. Maybe 20 sprays to do all of this area here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21. 21. Not bad. Let's see if I can get it spread over here. Alright, let's check it out. Looks nice and beady now. Nice. Alright, this exterior wash is done. 4 hours to wash the outside of the Tahoe Yukon.